Okay, so for this question, the number of oranges is 3 times as many as the number of apples, right? So let's say I let the number of orange apples at the end be x. So let number of apples at the end be x. Okay, so initially, right, so number of oranges is 4 times. Okay, number of oranges is 4 times of that of the apple. Okay, so we get oranges to be 4x. Okay, number of oranges at the end is 4x. Okay, now if we were to work backwards, he sold 60 oranges. He sold 60 oranges and 35 apples, right? So I will take 4x plus 60, right, equals to, right, because initially the number of oranges is 3 times as many as the number of apples. Okay, so 4 times 4x plus 60 equals to 3 times x plus 35. Right, so initially, if you're having trouble visualizing, right, at the end, your oranges to apples is 4:1. Then, because you add back oranges 60, you add back 35, right? Somehow this one makes it 3 times. Okay, this is 3 times. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm multiplying this by 3 so that the amount becomes equal. Okay, so from here I have formed my equation that I can solve. So again, 3 sets of x plus 35, 3x plus 105. Okay, so again, doing the balancing method, okay, I want to minus 3x, okay, I'll get 0 here. So this side will be 4x minus 3x plus 60, 105. Then reverse again. Okay, I'm just doing this for sure. If you understand, you actually don't need to do this method. So I remove the 60 from here. So I minus 60, and I minus 60 here. So 4x minus 3x is x. I don't need to write the 60 because I gotten rid of it, but I have to write 105 minus 60 goes to 45. Okay, so how many oranges are there in the grocery list at first? Okay, since now we know that x is equals to 45, okay, number of oranges at first, right, equals to, we are going to use this equation because this is the original number of oranges at first. So I get 445 plus 60, which will give me 180 plus 60, 240. Okay, so in the end, this was an algebraic question. Okay, moving on to the last two questions. Okay, there are 3 consecutive odd integers. Let the middle integer be 2a plus 1. Express in terms of a, the smallest integer. Okay, so a, the smallest integer, if your consecutive odd numbers means 1, 3, 5. Right, so the difference between the two numbers is plus 2 plus 2. Okay, because they are consecutive odd numbers. Right, so every time the next number will be plus 2. So if the middle number is 2a plus 1, the bigger number will be 2a plus 3. Okay, but the smaller number will be 2a plus 1. We need to minus 2, right, because we are going down. Right, so as it increases, it's plus 2, but when it decreases, it's minus 2. Okay, so it's 2a minus 1. Right, so a part 1, the smallest integer is 2a minus 1. Okay, the largest integer is 2a plus 3. So you ask you to find the sum of the 3 consecutive odd numbers in terms of a. Okay, so part B, sum will be 2a minus 1 plus 2a plus 1 plus 2a plus 3. So you will get 6a plus 3. Okay, why is the sum a multiple of 3? Right, because 6a plus 3 equals to 3. We factorize, right? Divide by 3, divide by 3, we get 2a plus 1. Okay, right, so the sum is a multiple of 3 right, as it has 3 as a factor. Okay, it has 3 as a factor. This is one of the factors. This is the second factor, algebraic factor, right? Okay, can? So the sum is a multiple of 3 and it has 3 as a factor. Okay, which is why it's also a multiple of 3. Can? Right, multiple of 3 means 3, 6, 9. Okay, as long as it has a factor of 3, it is a multiple of 3, right? And this whole expression has a factor of 3 here. Alright, okay, so the last one